Today I have a paint hack for you guys, and if you're in the middle of trying to find a paint color, this is for you. So you know how you get your paint swatches and you get it on the wall and it does not look anything like it, and it looks different in different rooms, and you just need a better way to visualize. So you can buy, of course, sample paint, and you paint it on the wall and you turn your whole house into like this patchwork of colors because you've got to like find the right color and you go through a million. Well, instead of that, you can actually buy paint sheets. There's a company called Sampleize that does these, and they just sell like a paint sheet with whatever color you're interested in looking at, and you can put it on the wall. The problem is they're expensive, and you only get like a small sheet, and it's about $5, I think, for the sample, or $6, and then it costs $6 to $8 or $9 for shipping. So by the time you're done, it's like over $10 or $12 for one little sheet. So instead, I have a better way. Go to Dollar Tree and pick up some foam core boards. You can get 2 paint samples out of one board. Get a foam roller or a paintbrush and a tray if you're using a roller. And then of course you'll need your sample paints. These are just a few dollars from your local hardware store. Go ahead and pour in your paint and use the roller or the brush and just paint the foam core board the color that you're interested in. Let it dry. I've got a few going here. I just let it dry for a couple hours. And when they do dry, they will warp. So they do look all kind of buckled and warped up, but don't worry, that's all right. They actually peel right away. The top paper peels right back from the foam piece, which is so neat. You can just peel that whole piece off, and instead of a tiny little sample, you have yourself a 20-inch by 30-inch giant kind of paper, sort of like a wallpaper. I've actually labeled mine here. And then I just use masking tape to go ahead and hang it up, and then you can get a much better idea on the wall of what the colors are going to look like next to each other or next to your current color. And then you can even move that around if you want to look at it in different rooms, so you can get a much better idea just with a bigger sample. And then I've also laid them out on the floor just to see what it would look like with my flooring, and then next to each other I can see which ones are warmer or cooler. So hope you guys enjoyed this hack. Thanks everyone.